Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am giving the front porch tour. I promised everyone that I would show our new front deck, and so off we go. I'm gonna just walk up to it and try not to trip on the stairs. Let's get real, Gail. You're not that coordinated anymore. So that is the front deck. I want to come around and show you the side because he did such a fabulous job. So this is like corrugated iron, and it's brown, but it's got, you can kind of see there like a rust to it, which is so pretty. So yeah, there she is. Let's walk around and go up on it. I wanted to do this today because I also wanted to tell you that all of my fall journals are on my Etsy shop, CinnamonT, today. So got those listed. So my sweet husband bought all these huge mum plants, which I absolutely love. I'll show you the decking. It's you know, one of the no maintenance types. And we'll just walk over here, and maybe I can give you a little panoramic view of what we see when we sit. I'll show you from my chair. How about? So this is my chair, and we can sit out here. We have a lot of people that walk and ride bikes in our neighborhood, and we can wave at them, and it's awesome. Just awesome. So shout out to my contractor John, who just did a fabulous job. So there you have it, guys. I promised I'd show you and wanted to get that done and tell you about my journals being on. So have a grateful day, everyone. Be kind always. We will see you in the next video. Bye.